Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's update our view on the Bitcoin market. Actually, here is not many things to say. So you can see for the third week in a row, market stands and challenging the resistance. As we said, that will be important level. Although we do not have here any fib levels or Napoli resistance levels, not the verbat or something. But from the natural features, you could see that this is definitely some natural support resistance area. That's split the trading space in two parts, so below it and above it. And this range is relatively wide, so actually, as you can see, this was a starting of this range around where market stands right now is 30 even, and up to possible 32 area, whereas the previous testing of was this same range. So the market currently stands around it. So it was the first touch, the pullback, now is the second touch here. Which in the first touch it also was the OP of this ABCD pattern. Now this has to be theoretically upward continuation to the XOP. It's just by the framework of the ABCD performance. And if somehow market will fail to do this, start dropping right back down, that will be very important bearish sign if it will appear. Currently, the euphoria on the BlackRock ETF file is currently phasing. This market start thinking what to do. It's now is a difficult time of the expectation when the Security and Exchange Commission will respond on the orders from the BlackRock, from the Fidelity and other big companies, and see what will happen. But this is really extended term. So commission has approximately 240 days to make the decision. Supposedly it should be faster, but by law, this is the term that it has to make the decision. So, and based on this background, the first euphoria of this information, this news now is fading. So on lower time frame, we could get even and have got actually a few bearish patterns. And once this upward action has happened, and recall that our previous analysis, once the grabbers have been formed, we said be prepared for upward action and challenging of this top, so market probably will return and pick up. But take a look what has happened. Market currently, this breakout of the pennant has happened, but not for too far. This market just completed the minimum requirements of the grabber. It returned back down and forming the bearish grabber. And this is not quite bullish sign. It's just because since market has formed narrow pattern and it already has been broken, logical to suggest that upward action should continue, especially because we do not have other fib levels above the market. But instead of that, you can see sharp reversal. It means that here was some market makers tricks, just grabbing the stops around it, and now it's dropping. Here you have to wait and see what will happen if market return right back down in the space of the pennant. That will be bearish sign. And in the best case, we will get more extended just consolidation, whereas market could ping pong around it for some time. This is the best case scenario. Otherwise, we could get more extended retracement down. Maybe the hand shoulders might be formed here or something, with the testing of at least an area around 2850, 2880. As usual, we're dealing with the ranges. You could act accordingly. So if you would like to sell, you could try to search for possible bearish signs around the top of the range, placing near standing stops just to not take a risk for too much, slightly above this area, or using stop sell order near the lower border of this, making bet on a possible acceleration on the breakout. Both could do the same things but in opposite direction, because we do not have any other ways to trade when the market stands in a range without any clear patterns. Most conservative approach is of course do nothing and wait how this situation will be resolved. Sooner or later the market should abandon this range and to form some more or less significant pattern on the daily chart. and you later could deal with this pattern. But at the current moment, it seems that market stands in some indecision, not knowing what to do next. Probably they will be watching for barrels tomorrow as well. And in the current situation, you could do only some scalp trades based on this current rectangle that we have on 4-hour time frame chart.